Hey, people that live in Keenwood, you're gonna love to see this. Look at this. Oh, it's a beautiful job I just did for this lady. We just cleaned her slate, sealed it. But the problem was the previous owner messed it up, and what other companies was telling her was not what you want to hear. So what previously happened was the previous owner put something acidic or acid on this and totally ruined the stone. It was a white haze everywhere. It made it look awful. And then the other company came in and was giving her this big old show of what needs to be done. They saying, oh, well, we'll hone it. Well, it's basically sand the stone. I'm like, this is slate. You get this because of the texture. It's not supposed to be marble or granite. You don't want to hone this. And that wouldn't fix the problem either. What I had to do to fix the problem is I cleaned it 2 separate times with 2 separate processes to get to that result. And that's what I don't like about my industry. It's just not regulated at all. So yeah, so if you live in Keenwood and you want a beautiful job, an honest job, and I guarantee you I will give the better job. What I tell my clients, I said, I guarantee you can't find anyone that can do better than me, because I'll be surprised. I can beat anyone, or they'll be maybe can match me. But job turned out great. Looks beautiful. She is happy because she was all worried that she's going to have to replace all this wood, all this slate, which would have been such a shame to pull this out because it's gorgeous, just absolutely beautiful. So if you're in Keenwood and you want a great job and you want, go ahead and give us a call. Follow us. Yeah.